What's up, guys? This is Felix. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about the program we wrote in the last tutorial, and I'm going to explain what is going on in here. We already talked about the doc type and how it specifies that this is all HTML in this file. But in this tutorial, I want to talk to you about the head and body tags. The head tag, the head element, again, is composed of an opening head tag, and then the slash means closing head tag. So anything inside of this head tag, in this head element, is going to belong to the head. The sorts of things that go in the head are not actually going to be displayed on the page. So if we go over here and open up our page, example.html, here's the content, and what that means is anything that's in here is not the head. The head is going to be other things. This is actually the body. Everything in this window that you see is going to be in the body right here. And that's why in the last video we put this paragraph tag with hello in it inside the body, because that's something we wanted to show up on the page. In the head, you can put things like a title, and then we're going to end title. And in here we can put I love web pages. We save that, come back over here and reload, and what's changed? Nothing in the body, nothing on the actual page itself has changed. But what has changed is this little piece of text up here on the tab or up at the top of the window. So that's your web page title. And that goes in the head because it's not in this window. You can also put other things in the head. Later on we'll get to style sheets or links to other files for telling your web page a little bit more specifically what to look like, how to behave. All of those things can go in the head because they're not actually content that you want to show up on the page. You can also put things called meta tags, and meta tags would be just like this. You've got an opening tag, meta, and those have other information. They're becoming less and less common though, because as the search engines get smarter, and they used to be used for search engines to specify keywords and things, but as the search engines are getting smarter, these meta tags aren't really used anymore. So we're not really going to go over meta tags very much, but there is one of them that is really useful called the viewport. And what the viewport tag does, or this, see, it's a meta tag, viewport, and we've got this width equals device width initial scale 1. What does that even mean? We'll talk about this line later, but essentially what it's doing is it's scaling the page so that it looks correct on a mobile device or on a screen that is smaller than what you're expecting or what you might be building this for. So again, head, stuff that's not going to actually show up on the web page. Body, stuff that shows up on the web page. I hope this tutorial's been helpful. If you have questions, please leave a comment. We'll get back to you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.